10 scary facts about animals. Crows can remember faces. Slow lorises can rot flesh. Leeches can get seriously big. Mosquitoes need human blood for their eggs. Flying snakes exist. Zombie fungus has mind control abilities. Horsehair worms make their hosts drown themselves. There are cat-sized rats. Vampire bats feed exclusively on blood. Assassin bugs were the bodies of their victims. On Theorback, 10 Scary Facts About Animals Part 2. 1. Ladybugs are cannibals. 2. Starfish have ghoulish eating habits. 3. Snails have razor-sharp teeth. 4. Slow loris monkeys have poisonous elbows. 5. Polar bears are vicious predators. 6. Margays are psychological manipulators. 7. Dolphins like to bully and torture others. 8. Female penguins will kidnap others' chicks. 9. Baby spiders eat their mom. 10. Kangaroos are ruthless mothers.